Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with an unboxing video because I've got last week something in my mail. And that is that big box. It's the second box of Cherry Wallis and I'm very excited because I didn't think of the box in a long time and it's almost like an early Christmas gift to me. So it's named Curation of Magical Curiosities. And it came with that thing. And I have to tell you something. I couldn't help myself. I looked inside that and I was very pleased with it. But I don't know what is inside that. I just sneak peeked a little. And it looks promising. Let's open it together. I'll show you what it looks inside. If I can open it. Oh, so it looks like this and something fell out. That is this Christmas card, I think. So the first thing that fell out is this Christmas card. It says, "Happy Christmas, Neville." It looks very nice and at the back Sherry wishes us a Merry Christmas and a happy magical New Year. Thank you very much, Sherry, for this box and for the wishes. I wish you the same and I will open now the box. There is much of this stuff. It looks very festive. And now I show you again. There are many packages. I'm very excited because as a kid I didn't get many gifts and I love to open them. Who doesn't? So I just take the first thing out. Take this. So I take this. Ooh, it just almost fell out of my hand. That is very cool. Isn't that how... I don't know the name in English, damn it. But it's very cool. It's made out of plastic, I think. Let's put that in here. Second, let's open it. Okay, what is it? Looks beautiful. It's a key. Oh my god. It looks very nice. Look at that Deathly Hallows sign. I love it. It looks very beautiful. Yeah. That will make great for decoration. Alright. I will open now this. I know what is inside. I really love it. It's a picture. Looks very good. It's from the Jewel Ball. Yeah, looks very nice. I actually have one, but with a lot of glitter and I don't like it very much. This one I like more, and be sure I will take it to my Harry Potter wall. I will frame it. This is very cool. Let's take another one. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. This is heavy. Looks great. I think this is one of the... It doesn't focus. Now it does. This is from one of the chess figures. It's kind of heavy and it looks very nice. Shall I open this big package? I wonder what is inside. Is it a scarf? It is, but I don't really know from who. Can you tell me in the comments? I really have no idea who this belongs. Maybe did Molly Weasley made this? I don't know, but it's very well made. Yeah, and it's soft. So let's take another one. This one. It says Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. Right. Oh, that is cute. Look. There it says Harry and there is Ron. They are very cute and perfect because it gets very colder here. Take this one. And where can I open it? There. Looks like this. Is there something inside? Alright. It's out of glass, I think. Looks very cute. Very nice. There is a snowflake and like I don't know the name in English. Looks very nice. Yeah. So I found the pin. It looks nice. It looks like this. There's an H for Harry. and a lightning bolt and a little snitch. It looks beautiful. There's a big one. What does it say? Cuddly. Cuddly. Or something else. Please help me in the comments if you know better. I actually can't read it exactly. It must be something from the books, I think. Can you help me? Please help me. So there is a kind of envelope. Looks like it's from the jewel ball. Ah, that is the card with the information for the jewel ball. It looks great. It looks very great. Very nice. So I think I'm already finished. But it was much of stuff. I think I found one thing. The very last. There is this picture. It's the letter that he got from, that Ron got from Molly, his mother. Looks very nice. I wonder if she drew that again herself. Looks very nice. So at the last there is just the card with the information about the stuff. I've got the Maxima box. I quite like the box. It was really worth the money, I think, and there are many stuff. They are very nice made, and yeah, I thank you very much, Cherry, for making this box with geek gear. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I am quite not so good in making videos, but I'm still learning. Please make a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please leave a comment. And thank you for watching. Bye.